We travel quite a bit. We're both retired. We visit our family quite a bit. We have grandchildren that we visit. We help out our older siblings, so it's been very gratifying. He first started working on my wife, and then I ended up having an implant later on, and I went to him for an implant that had gone bad. It wasn't one he did. Yeah, let's be clear. I'm retired Navy, so I've probably seen 50 different dentists in my life. I've had a number of root canals and that type of stuff, all by different people. And so when I went to Dr. Mugford, it's been a very good experience to have one person that kind of coordinates care with our other dentist also. He is on top of science of dentistry. He's the leading edge. So if there's a new technique out, if there's a new instrument out, he goes after it. And then he does an educational piece, so it gives you a great confidence when somebody's doing education of other dentists and other specialties in the area.